My name's Billy Bland. I'm from Marietta, Ohio with Bland Trucking, and you get toothpaste from a trucker.
I am Sean from Toledo, Ohio, and you get your eggs from a trucker.
My name's John Blanton from Louisville, Kentucky, and you get building supplies to build houses from truckers.
I'm Harley Walls. I'm a truck driver from Dyersburg, Tennessee, and believe it or not, all your pharmaceuticals come by truck.
I'm Laverne Stutzman. I live in Tennessee, and you get your playgrounds for your kids from a truck.
I'm James Chesson from Advance, North Carolina, and you get steel, concrete, lumber, construction equipment, and etc. from a trucker.
I'm Hannah. I'm from Pennsylvania, and you get paper towels from a trucker.
My name is Dennis. I'm from Fairwater, Wisconsin, and you get your cucumbers from a trucker.
My name is Thomas Trapphagen from Lassen County, California, and you get baking flour from a trucker.
My name is Michael King. I'm from Lancaster, Pennsylvania, and you get farm equipment from a trucker.
My name is Travis Tesserek. I'm from Vernon, Arizona, and you get onions from a trucker.
Hi, I'm Wes Short, Jefferson, Ohio, and you get steel from a trucker.
My name's Heath Kirby. I'm from Northeast Ohio, and you get corn from a truck.
I'm Kevin from Ovid, Michigan, and you get potting soil from a trucker like me.